Bitcoin steady above $29,000, Ether stays below $1,900. India Supreme Court seeks government action on cryptocurrency. Genesis and FTX reach a settlement in ongoing bankruptcy conflict. Argentina increases electricity tariffs for crypto miners. Sequoia Capital downsizes crypto fund from $585 million to $200 million. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets were trading lower on Friday after a report that the Bank of Japan was mulling a change to its yield curve control policy. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrency was trading down by 0.7% at 38,900 points. Bitcoin continued to stay soft even as Grayscale Investments has pleaded with the United States securities regulator to approve all spot Bitcoin ETF applications, simultaneously in order to prevent any of them from having a first mover advantage. The largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization is witnessing the relatively low trade volume and retail investor participation, which is highlighted by experts as a precursor to recent short-lived rallies that would revert back to mean. This means markets will soon enter a consolidation phase and no more dramatic rally in Bitcoin until next year's halving. In other news, the US Senate passed the 2024 National Defense Authority Act, included a provision that tightens oversight over financial institutions engaged in crypto trading and aims at crypto mixers and anonymity, enhancing crypto assets. Meanwhile, Sam Altman posted a video of individuals waiting in line to trade their iris scans for free WorldCoin tokens in Japan. The reports further mentioned that each user gets verified with their iris scan every 8 seconds. The global cryptocurrency market cap was at $1.18 trillion mark, dropping 0.8% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volumes decreased about 17% to $26 billion. In an interesting news, Aave, one of the leading DeFi protocols, continues to make stride in the industry by introducing its own algorithmic stablecoin GHO. The GHO stablecoin is pegged to the US dollar and has already been substantial activity since its launch, with over $2.19 million worth of Aave's GHO minted on the Ethereum mainnet. Additionally, Cardano, a decentralized proof-of-stake blockchain, celebrates yet another fantastic milestone of continuous uptime, solidifying its position as one of the most stable networks in the cryptocurrency industry. On-chain analytics firm Sentiment highlights Cardano as one of the top 3 developed chains in the last 30 days. In other news, the Shiba Inu team has finally released a Shibarium Bridge beta version for public testing. Shibarium Bridge utilizes plasma bridge technology and proof-of-stake validators to facilitate transaction between Shibarium and Ethereum chains without third parties and minimal risk. Stock futures traded mixed as investors awaited new inflation data due later in the day. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average were up 57 points or 0.16% higher. S&P 500 futures were up by 0.38%, while Nasdaq 100 futures gained 0.77%. Bitcoin was trading at $29,214, down 1%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 0.6%, trading at $1,865. Solana SOL was down 2% and was trading at $24.6. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $13.1, lower 2%. Polygon Matic was trading down by 2.4% to trade at $0.71. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 3.3% at $0.076. Shiba Inu was trading down by 0.6%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.71, down 0.6%. Polkadot was down by 1.1% to trade at $5.2. However, BNB was up by 0.1% to trade at $241. Cardano's ADA token was up by 0.2% to trade at $0.31.
The Union government has been ordered by India's Supreme Court to disclose its intentions for controlling crypto crimes in India. The administration's decision to not create a government agency or statute to investigate cryptocurrency cases was deemed unfortunate by the court, according to local newspapers. Industry participants anticipate that it will take a few months before the nation creates a dedicated structure to address the sector. The judges made a point of highlighting the requirement for a specialized national body to guarantee top-notch investigations in the national interest. Additionally, this means that the government must establish thorough crypto rules. A tentative deal between the bankrupt cryptocurrency companies FTX and Genesis would settle the allegations made by both sides in their continuing dispute. The parties have reached an agreement in principle, subject to documentation regarding a settlement that would resolve, among other things, the claims asserted by the FTX debtors against the debtors in these Chapter 11 cases and the claims asserted by Genesis debtors against the FTX debtors in the FTX Chapter 11 cases. A letter filed by their legal representatives to Judge C.N.H. Lane reads, "The letter did not include details about the settlement, according to a January court document that lists a list of significant creditors. Genesis had become the largest unsecured creditor of FTX and its connected firms, owing $226.3 million. Parallel to this, FTX said that Genesis owed approximately $4 billion in debt, which was ultimately lowered to $2 billion and refuted by Genesis. After the Ministry of Economy released an updated list of electricity tariffs, crypto miners in Argentina should expect an increase in energy expenditures. The ministry has increased the wage for miners to the highest band on its scale, 17,240 Argentine pesos, around $63.30. Residential energy prices, on the other hand, are significantly subsidized, with households eligible for discounts of up to 70%. The increase in price places cryptocurrency mining above the levels paid by commercial firms and in the same energy price range as heavy industries. The updated tariffs go into effect on August 1 and last until October 31, 2023, after which they can alter once more. Venture capital powerhouse Sequoia Capital has reduced the size of its cryptocurrency fund by more than 65%, from $585 million to $200 million. As a result of the crypto slump, which has decreased opportunities to invest in larger firms, Sequoia informed investors earlier in the year that it would cut the fund size to reflect a changing market. Instead, the crypto fund will concentrate more on supporting younger entrepreneurs. Additionally, the venture capital company decreased the amount of its ecosystem fund, which invests in other venture funds, by 50%, from $900 million to $450 million. Now, prior to FTX's bankruptcy in November, Sequoia had made a prominent $150 million investment in the company. And now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing stocks of the day.
Let's begin with a Shiba Inu. Dog-themed meme coin Shiba Inu's marketing specialist, known on social media as Lucy, has finally released a Shibarium bridge beta version for public testing. Despite this development, a Shiba Inu was trading 0.83% down in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $4 billion. The bridge, built on the Shibarium for interaction with the Ethereum network, was first announced at the end of April, when it was only partly functional. Shibarium Bridge utilizes plasma bridge technology and proof-of-stake validators to facilitate transactions between Shibarium and Ethereum chains without third parties and minimal risks. It supports the ERC20 token standard and is expected to boost liquidity and utility for Shibarium's Layer 2 network. However, Lucy from the Sheep team warns users not to use real tokens on the bridge, and the current Shibarium beta puppynet is currently in beta. Next in the list is Aave, one of the leading DeFi protocols, has introduced its own algorithmic stablecoin Go, pegged to the US dollar. It has already seen substantial activity since its launch, with over $2.19 million worth of Aave's Go minted on the Ethereum mainnet. Aave was trading near $73 with a market capitalization of $1 billion. Aave's Go, a stablecoin, is supported by multiple digital assets including Ether and the Aave token, providing added security and scalability. Go's unique feature is its ability to verify the assets used to back it. This ensures accessibility and verification via on-chain data and also adds credibility to Aave's new DeFi entry. Talking about TCRV, the native token of TradeCurve has entered the 5th phase of its pre-sale, where it is available for an appealing $0.025 per token. TradeCurve is a hybrid model that combines the advantages of centralized and decentralized exchanges, offering a safe environment with low latency, high liquidity, and minimal trading fees. It caters to crypto enthusiasts and offers seamless trading across various financial instruments like forex, commodities, and stocks. TradeCurve also introduces KYC-free trading, ensuring anonymity and security for users without submitting personal information. This sets a new industry standard for a seamless trading experience. Moving on, Cardano, a decentralized proof-of-stake blockchain, is celebrating its yet another fantastic milestone of continuous uptime, solidifying its position as one of the most stablecoin networks in the cryptocurrency industry. Cardano's ADA was trading at $0.39 with a market capitalization of $10 billion. According to on-chain analytics firm Santiment, Cardano has developed into one of the top 3 chains in the last 30 days. In a new tweet, Santiment lists the top 10 crypto assets by development activity with notable GitHub commits in the past 30 days. Cardano ranks in 3rd place after the Polkadot and Kusama networks with 450.9 GitHub commits showcasing development activity in the last 30 days. Last on the list, we have hybrid blockchain platform XDC has experienced a meteoric rise, soaring by a staggering 64% in just 1 week. XDC was trading at $0.58 with a market capitalization of $809 million. XDC network has experienced a 93% value surge in the 30 days, solidifying its position as a major player in the digital asset landscape. The surge in popularity can be attributed to legislative support for blockchain adoption and digital assets in the UK Parliament. Institutions like the International Chamber of Commerce and Citigroup have recognized the network's potential in the TradeFi sector. The decentralized nature and efficiency of XDC network make it an attractive option for trade finance applications, attracting interests from prominent financial players.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.